Hello, I'm Anthony Taylor. I'm the caretaker at Penparky Community Forum. I've been here for 3 years and we started the community garden about a year before I got here. We have a 50-year lease from the town council. It was very basic in its initial form, but it's flourished in the last few years. We've developed the hub into a flourishing community garden. With the help of RSPB and other community groups, we're restoring hedges and doing our own cultivating, mulching and regenerating boggy areas. We provide peer-to-peer support and other opportunities. We consulted with local residents and provided some micro-plot allotments and a library of things.
I mean, my mental health, I feel as if I've had a workout, by being here from 10:30 till about 4 o'clock on a Friday. That's my gym, and it helps having a project, it helps having an end goal. You need to formulate ideas in your mind, and you can only do that by being outside, by being with like-minded people.
We partner with Tiercoed and run horticultural courses on a Friday, and we plan to broaden our events calendar, which in the past has been oversubscribed. We have lots of ambition to drive forward our sustainable activities. We've always sourced local materials and created rainwater harvesting materials.
We are Llanfach Community Garden, Gardd Cymunedol Llanfach in Taliesin, Ceredigion. The site was set up in March 2023 and is run entirely by volunteers. Our aim is to provide a community food growing and well-being space for local residents and the public. We have a lease with Llanfach Hall for the front and back gardens, which were overgrown wasteland before being turned into a community space. The front of the hall is the first area we developed, and it's transformed the area for anyone who uses the garden and hall. There's already been many positive comments from the regular hall users on how pleasant the space is now. We installed 2 accessible beds, ideal for people in wheelchairs or adults with mobility issues, and we also created a wildlife area for pollinators with lots of flowers. The back area now has steps we built out of railway sleepers and also raised beds which will be used for growing seasonal vegetables. We installed a fence along the steep bank and we intend to plant the area along the fence with fruit bushes. We continue to establish the growing spaces, and in the future we would like to hold small workshops and events in the space for the public, such as art workshops, growing skills and garden therapy. These would be open to everyone, from children to older adults.
Dyma Ardd Gymunedol Penglais, Prifysgol Aberystwyth yng Ngheredigion. Gath I sefydlu tua 10 mlynedd yn ôl gan grŵp o myfyrwyr, ond erbyn hyn staff y gwirfoddolwyr sydd yn rhedeg ar ardd a ni'n rhedeg sesiynau i fyfyrwyr. Mae gyda ni polytunnel gath i dalu amdano fe gan yr adran adnoddau dynol blynydde yn ôl. Yr tyfudau fi wedi talu am shed a gyfres o gwelyau uchel. Mae gyda ni gytundeb gyda Brifysgol i ddefnyddio'r tir i dyfu llysiau a bwyd. Y syniad ydy bod ni'n darparu gweithgareddau i myfyrwyr a hefyd bod ni'n gwella bioamrywiaeth y safle.
Dwi'n dysgu ecoleg yn Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Dwi wrth fy modd bod yn yr ardd, dwi'n dysgu am y planhigion, dwi'n medru dysgu lle mae bwyd yn dod o, ac hefyd dwi'n medru dod ar bwyd adre i fyta, ac dwi wrth fy modd cyfarfod o pawb yna.
I really like being able to put in effort growing food and then you get to eat it afterwards.
I like meeting new people.
You can do some exercise like shoveling. It's quite fun.
Mae'n gwella yr amgylchedd ar y campws, a felly dwi'n meddwl bod yn gweithio i'r ddwy ffordd, i'r Brifysgol ac i